Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story to be our own Instagram story. So first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application. Right after that, you just need to go stay in a home section. There will be like 5 sections on your Instagram, right? So there will be like home, explore, there's post content to creating the content of you, no reels, and here is the profile. But if you want to repost someone as a story, stay in a home. And now after that, you need to take a look at the top right corner, which are these two icons. You just need to pick the DM tools. And right after that, there will be information that someone mentioned you in their story, so you just need to click them. And if you want to repost it, go click right away this add to your story. You can adjusting these size. You can just make it like fulfilling all of the screen, and you can also adjusting the informations over here by adding the text or having the stickers. And whenever you're done, you just need to post it into your Instagram by just click this add to your story. So that is the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story to be our own. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.